Hello lovelies, welcome back. My name is Tehja and I know it looks different. There is no pink. It's only because like I just had to take the backdrop down, so just don't mind it. Pretend like it's pink. It's pink. Cool. Alright. Anyway, today we will be making the Fenty Beauty Body Lava ourselves, but we're gonna make it out of that like Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb thing because I love the color of it. But that Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb thing just like never worked. It never worked for me. So I was like, all right, let's kill two birds with one stone and make that into a Fenty Beauty Body Lava. So if you would like to know how I did that and how you can do it yourself, please keep on watching. Let's get started with this tutorial. I am taking my Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb with the little puff, and I love this freaking puff, but literally I don't get any pigment from this fairy puff thing is to make it into a Fenty Beauty Body Lava. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm just gonna like, yeah, because you can kind of see some of the pigment coming out here. I'm just gonna kind of like stab it. Oh shit, like this is so hard. Oh my god, like why is it so hard? There we go. Finally. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Oh shit, like I like also cut open this thingy. Okay. Boom. I tried to preserve the puff as much as possible. Like, boom. Okay. So that's pretty much the pigment thing. So I'm happy I got that out so I can make it into freaking body lava. Hopefully I have enough. It's a lot of pigment too. So now I'm going to put this over to the side. We're going to get a new bowl. And I'm going to be taking this body lotion. You may have seen it before from my DIY body foundation. And I'm going to be using actually this old Fenty Beauty foundation, and it's not completely clean because like the glass got stained, but I'll be using this to put my body lava in to make it like really cute. So I'm gonna kind of guesstimate how much would fit in like about 3/4 of this container, and I'm going to put it in here. You can put it in there too, but I know it's just gonna be hard to mix all the materials in that small container. So actually just not even gonna pump it. I'm just gonna and then we are going to be taking vegetable glycerin, and I'm going to do about 4 tablespoons of it. Okay, 1, 2, I'm gonna start with 3 and then see the consistency. 3, and then I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil as well. I keep getting like spots of oil all over this goddamn tablecloth. Anyway, 1 and 2. Alright, and then I'm just gonna mix everything together. Hopefully I didn't put too much oil because it looks like I did. So that's what it should look like. It should kind of look like vanilla pudding, but don't eat it, please don't eat it. And then now I'm going to be adding the pigment. I'm probably going to use the whole thing, but I just kind of want to see how much it would take. So I'm putting in 2 teaspoons, and then I'm going to mix everything together. So I'm gonna dump like half of what's left in here. There you go. And then continue to mix because it's like already almost there pigment wise. So because I know I made a lot of this to fit in that container. What I'm gonna do is switch bowls and just only put half of this in this bowl. Then I'm just going to put the rest of this pigment in here, dump it, and then whisk it around. because I noticed that like the other like I swatched my other Fenty Beauty Body Lava and it was a lot more pigmented than what I had, so I kind of want to mimic that as much as possible. Once that's done, we're going to take our container and unscrew it. So this is going to have a little bit of gold in it because I already have this funnel, it's already used, and I'm literally too lazy to take it out. So we're just going to leave it, and I'm just going to pour this in. This is going to take forever. Then we're just going to put the cap on and shake it up. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is a little bit more glittery than I expected it to be, but obviously the body lavas are glittery as well. And it applies really good. I just wish I had more of the product, more of the pigment to make it even more pigmented, because I kind of did a little bit too much. Like a little bit too much. That's the only thing, is that I wish I had more pigment to make it even more pigmented. But other than that, I'm very happy with the results. It's moisturizing, it's lovely, it smells good. Yeah, it looks fabulous. I just wish I had somewhere to go to make it look fabulous and have other people see that it's fabulous, but it's a different story for a different day, okay? That's all of 2020. Yeah, so let me know if you are planning to make your own Fenty Beauty Body Lava. And just let me know what colors you will make your own Fenty Beauty Body Lava in. Would you make it out of the Fairy Bomb color or any other color? And yeah, so please stay tuned, subscribe, and see more DIYs and more videos, beauty DIYs and fashion DIYs and celebrity transformations. As always, please love yourself, and I will see you next video. Mwah!